Hello, welcome to my channel. Let us look at this Olympiad Mathematics together, which says 16 raised to the power of x plus 20 raised to the power of x equals to 25 raised to the power of x. Now recall the sign we have in between them is plus, not multiplication. So you need to be very careful whenever you have questions like this. Now let us get into the solution. The first thing we are to do is to manipulate this process such that we have a function that we can deal with. Now let us divide through by 25 raised to the power of x. I mean by this, such that this expression now becomes 16 raised to x over 25 raised to the power x plus 20 raised to the power x over 25 raised to the power x equals 25 raised to the power x divided by 25 raised to the power of x. So from here we can bring, since the power are the same, we can bring them out. Therefore this becomes 16 over 25 raised to x plus 20 over 25 raised to x equals 1. So this divides this and that becomes 1, since they are the same thing. Now from here we can manipulate further. We can walk through by reducing this to become 4 raised to the power 2 and 5 raised to the power 2. Recall that 16 is 4 raised to the power 2, 25 is 5 raised to the power 2. I'm just trying to simplify such that I can have an equation that represents the entire expression. Now I raised to the power of x plus this, we can divide. Yeah, 5 goes in this. 5 in 20, that's 4. 5 in 25, that's 5. Sorry, this is raised to the power of x. So all raised to the power of x equals 1. Now the power here is the same, so I can factor it out such that we have 4 raised to the power 5 2x plus 4 raised to 4 over 5 x equals 1. Now we have 4 over 5 x here, we have 4 over 5x. By representation we can simplify it so that we represent this fraction by a whole, by an unknown. So let's say let's 4 over 5 raised to the power of x be p, or any value that you can work with. You can use y, you can use a, you can use z, whatever. So this now becomes, if you now substitute this p wherever we see this, so this will now become p raised to the power of 2 plus p equals 1. So we can write this to become p raised to the power 2 plus p minus 1 equals 0. So from here we've been able to derive a quadratic equation, and from this quadratic equation we can use a quadratic formula, popularly known as almighty formula, to solve this expression. And this formula says p equals, it is p that we are dealing with, p equals minus b plus or minus roots b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now our a is the coefficient of b squared, that is 1. Our b is the coefficient of b, and our c is minus 1, which is the constant of the equation. So let us substitute these values to this formula and let us solve for the value of p. So p equals minus 1 plus or minus roots 1 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 into 1 minus 1 all over 2 into bracket of 1. So p equals minus 1 plus or minus 1 raised to the power 2 is 1, minus 4 multiplied by 1, that's minus 4, minus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 1, that is plus 4 all over 2. So p equals minus 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. So p equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, or minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. Recall that p equals 4 over 5x. So we are now going to substitute the value of p back into our representation so that we can solve for the value of x. Recall, this question asks us to find the value of x. Therefore, since p is this, so this will now become 4 over 5x equals minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So from here we can take the log of this expression such that we can find the value of x. So if we log this expression, it becomes log 4 over 5 x equals log minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now from the law of logarithm, so it now becomes x, since it is par, log 4 over 5 equals log minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. So we can divide through by log 4 over 5 such that x now becomes log minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 over log 4 over 5. You can work with your calculator to get an absolute value for the value of x, but in a nutshell, this is the value of x. So thank you very much for watching. If you love this video and you want more on Olympiad mathematics or any other mathematics, please subscribe to this channel. Let me know what your feelings, your observation in the comment section. Till I see you next time, thank you very much. Please be good.